and Sakila are competing for the councillor position. Jackson is supporting Martha because he wants her to win so they can continue with their corruption. Martha forces Petrina to support her instead of her husband. And Muga is out there looking for his Kwamaskama Mnomeva. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. Jackson is busy supporting Martha, giving her tips on her speech as a speaker in front of the Abahlali basemnyameni, and giving her tips, saying, "Wena baby, you've got me. I know about politics. Sakila knows nothing." And then they go, they have the campaign thingy. Jackson addresses the crowd, telling them he's going to give Usakile a time to present first or to campaign first, saying it's good that Umayigiso is here and women pambili. How? And then Usakile stands up to give his speech. Abantu bamjabulela, they're busy singing naye, like rooting for him. Everyone is there to support Usakile. Usakile seems to have a lot of support. Because they're going on. Sakile goes on about mina ngumhlalo lana emnyameni, and I used to work at the depot. I know all about the corruption. So it's time ukuthi abantu bakhweshe man, so we can have abantu abaneqiniso. Pastor Dlamini stands up to support Usakile after Umayegiso came and asked them to support her in the house. Sakile gives his speech, and then Jackson stands up there. Just to wrap up before giving Martha indawo. But you can just see that Jackson is busy supporting Martha, making sure that Martha gets enough people. But I don't think Martha stands a chance unless they rig the votes. Martha went to see Leroy and Tandis are trying to say her condolences because of the passing of Mnomeva. But they don't buy it. She even offered goods they can have the memorial at the hotel. But they're like, nope, we don't need you as a thing. You're doing this to get votes. So yenza khona la endlini. Leroy no Tandisa, they go to a police station to have kept Detective Pagati tell them Mnomeva was tortured before her death. She was deprived of food and water. Ufe a long painful death. And then they're wondering who will do this to her. Thinks of the time when Mnomeva was turned into a zombie. Now they're wondering who did this. Because Muga is the one that did this to Mnomeva. She's back in Dumbeni Mnomeva looking for her bag, the bones bag. Leroy walks in and realizes it feels like someone was in here. Lights a candle and starts talking to Mnomeva, telling her to fight even beyond the grave to make sure that they find the person who did this to her. I hope I'm telling you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.